first guest speaker is Jackie Goddard.
Keep going until your fingers come back together and you can feel your abdominals, especially the last of the air out.
Because according to the National Institute of Mental Health, 75% of people would rather die than speak in public.
They decided that instead of wearing something very Jacobean, I should wear a boiler suit. It was disappointing. I know, it gets worse.
Use vegetative breath, which is all up here, which is why when we get nervous, our breath is very shallow and we get lots of tension across here in our shoulders and in our neck. So what I'm going to show you today is how to breathe for performance.
But actually it's not about the Oscar, it's about the recognition. And I wanted the recognition and the respect from the people that I recognised and respected. So my parents, my daughter, my family, my friends, my peers. And I think I achieved that. There is no failure, only feedback. Thank you.